Is it visible? Yes, I think it's visible now. Even I made it a big. Wait. Yes. Yes, one by one we can see. First you complete the first cell. You have to check the validity for the given premises based on the conclusion. Okay, whether this is valid or not, you just use the 5 rules. Okay, then and there is a chance to use also the logic of law. Okay, just try with first sum. Just let me know whether it's a valid or a invalid. And by the way, I will ask one person to explain the same. Guys, I think you copied the. Am I audible? I think you copied the sum so that you can do that. By the time I will make arrangements to take attendance for A section.
Same. Each number arrange.
Yes, guys. Have we got the answer for the first one? Whether you check whether it is a valid or invalid? Yes, first you complete the first sum. Later we go for the second. Am I audible? Guys, am I audible? Yes. Yes, okay. Can you able to solve this first one, first problem? So first consider these two. Okay, apply rules of syllogism here. Just give the hint. Anyway, you will do that, I know. Okay, apply the rules of syllogism here. Then you will get P implies negation R. So then P and negation R will give you the answer. So this given based on modus of force. Okay, so that the given statement is valid. So based on the premises, so in SAR class, SAR has mentioned with the statement. So you have to convert the statement into mathematical form. Now this is directly they have given with mathematical form. This is university question. I think I even the same question I asked in assignment also. Yes, guys, can you answer? What's your valid? A syllogism you applied one. Another one. Second rule. What is the second rule? First, you applied rules of syllogism for this. After this, you will get answer P negation okay, this will be the answer. Now what you have to do, you have to keep this P, there you will get this answer, negation R. Yes, good. Shall we go to the next one? Yeah, good. Everyone is answering that two rules you have applied and where the conclusion is true, so that we can say this problem, that is premises and conclusion, is valid. Okay, then go for the second one. You apply the rules for this premises and say whether this conclusion is true or not. The very simple one. Attendance I will take. Attendance I will take. By the time you just copy this and give me the answer, just take a screenshot of these two questions so that I can move for the attendance, because I am sharing my screen. I am not uploaded anything over here. So take a screenshot, then I can move for the. Okay, shall I move for the attendance? I need answers in your chat box. Guys, I will take the attendance in Excel sheet, because the credentials with Suman sir, the A section credentials, so that you only can open e-governance. The same attendance I will give it to sir. Sir will enter you the attendance in e-governance. Okay, now you can answer your attendance one by one. Okay, 011. Asta. A section from 1 to 90, you can answer your attendance now. Guys, answer your attendance. 001. Why 17? Okay. So by this I can give the attendance, no problem. Yes, wait, one by one. No, I cannot make it like this. Just wait. Just wait. What about 1, 2? I won't consider the previous attendance. Now you can answer the attendance fast. 1, 2 present. Yes, good. 3. Yes, 4. 4. Abhishek. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 already answered, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23,